Welcome to Dream Shorts, your ultimate content creation partner. Whether you're a digital creator, a growing business, a marketer, or someone with a powerful voice and a bold idea, Dream Shorts is here to turn your vision into a vivid, stunning reality. Let's dive in. Step 1. Add a new dream. Think of this as your canvas. Tap Add New Dream and give it a name. Something that speaks to the story you're about to create. Got it? Great. Now, type in your dream prompt, short, sweet, and loaded with imagery. You've got 50 characters to spark the story. Think, surfer rides storm wave, or chef flames up rooftop meal. Let your imagination do the talking. Next, select your script type. Do you want an SEO-optimized article to boost your search engine game, or an engaging storytelling script for emotional impact? Choose what fits your vision. Now choose your script length, from a punchy 200 words to a rich, flowing 2,000-word masterpiece. It's your dream, so shape it your way. Pick your language. Dream Shorts currently supports English, Swahili, and Spanish, and we're expanding soon. Choose what speaks to your audience, and to your heart. Hit Generate Script, and in just a few seconds, Dream Shorts gives you a professionally written piece, tailored to your prompt, ready to voice and visualize. Now the magic continues. Choose your voice. Whether you prefer a confident African narrator, a warm British storyteller, or a dynamic American speaker, Dream Shorts offers a wide library of lifelike voices that deliver tone, rhythm, and emotion. Not robotic. Not dull. Just real, and really good. Now choose your video orientation. Portrait, perfect for social media, reels, and mobile viewers. Landscape, ideal for YouTube, websites, or presentations. You're in control. Want to add subtitles? Of course. They improve accessibility, engagement, and retention. Select from a range of beautiful fonts, Times New Roman, Arial, Georgia, Helvetica, or Palatino. Adjust size, from 16px to 28px. Pick your color. Add a highlight. Style it your way. And now, the moment you've been building toward. Tap Create Your Dream. In just minutes, or less, Dream Shorts starts stitching your masterpiece together. You'll see scenes start to load. The voiceover comes to life. Your script turns into visuals. This is real creation. This is storytelling made simple, fast, and powerful. Important, wait for the video to fully load before rendering. This ensures the best quality. Every scene, every voice line, every frame, perfect. Then, hit render. This is where your idea becomes a full-fledged video production, right from your browser. And it only takes a few minutes. Once complete, click Download Your Dream, and it's yours. A ready-to-share video. Fully voiced, scripted, styled, and subtitled. All in minutes. All powered by AI. All built by you. This is more than content creation. It's a revolution. Dream Shorts is your AI creative partner, whether you're just starting out or you've been creating for years. It's fast. It's elegant. It's powerful. And it makes your dreams visual. So go on, open up dreamshorts.app. Start your first dream. And join the movement of creators reimagining what's possible, with the click of a button. Dream Shorts. Create your dream. Share your voice. Rule your niche.
Night Market Chef Creating Magic. As the culinary world continues to evolve, chefs like Daniel Asher of Ashkara in Boulder share their passion for food and travel through their creations. Inspired by his travels to Israel, Asher's hummus reflects the flavors and traditions of the region, transporting diners on a culinary journey with every bite. From the vibrant streets of Chicago to the enchanting landscapes of Oman and the bustling markets of Boulder, night market chefs are weaving culinary magic that transcends borders and traditions. Their innovative dishes, inspired by diverse influences and personal journeys, showcase the transformative power of food and the artistry of those who create it. In a world where flavors collide and cultures intertwine, these chefs are the true magicians, turning simple ingredients into extraordinary experiences for diners around the globe. Amidst the city's vibrant culinary scene, a night market chef stands out for creating magic on the plate. Jason Moloff, a culinary maverick, once captivated the taste buds of San Miguel with his innovative fusion cuisine at Café Rama. Known for his eclectic menu inspired by various ethnic influences, Moloff's dishes were a symphony of flavors that left diners craving more. Described as a rock star chef, his departure from the scene left a void that few have been able to fill. Beyond the bustling streets of Chicago and the vibrant culinary scene of San Miguel lies the enchanting country of Oman, where cultural influences converge to create a unique culinary tapestry. Celebrating the nation's rich heritage, Omani couple Salim and Amal, founders of Dried Lemon Catering Company, hosted a lavish foodie event at the opulent Shangri-La, surrounded by fellow food lovers. Guests indulged in a three-course feast that showcased the diverse flavors of Omani cuisine. In the bustling streets of Chicago's West Loop, where American steak was born, a modern twist on the traditional steakhouse experience awaits at Swift and Sons. This premier steakhouse, a collaboration between Boca Restaurant Group, B. Hospitality, executive chef Chris Pandel, and renowned designers of Rocco, is set to redefine the American dining scene. With a focus on elevating classic dishes and evolving the steakhouse concept for the modern diner, Swift and Sons promises a culinary journey like no other. While Maloff's legacy continues to linger in the memories of food enthusiasts, other chefs are also making waves in the culinary world. Chris Yenbumrung of Night Plus Market in Los Angeles and Las Vegas is one such chef pushing the boundaries of flavor combinations. His creation, the ribeye fried rice, marries premium Australian Wagyu with Thai-inspired ingredients, resulting in a dish that tantalizes the taste buds. Yenbumrung's unpretentious approach to food, rich in umami and spice, showcases his culinary prowess and creativity.